The Volkswagen T-Cross, manufactured in Brazil, has achieved an impressive 5-star rating in the latest crash tests by the Latin New Car Assessment Program, Latin NCAP. This compact SUV comes equipped with 6 airbags and electronic stability control as standard. It also includes advanced driver assistance systems, which will become standard in certain markets soon. In terms of safety performance, the T-Cross scored 92.31% for adult occupant protection, 89.80% for child occupant protection, 65.62% for pedestrian protection, and 84.96% for safety assist features. The vehicle was thoroughly evaluated in various tests, including frontal and side impacts, side pole impact, whiplash protection, and pedestrian safety. The T-Cross performed well in the frontal and side impact tests, showing stable structures and providing good protection to adult passengers. However, in the side pole impact test, there was marginal chest protection for the adult occupant, and the whiplash protection was rated borderline marginal for neck safety. The pedestrian protection was mostly adequate for head and lower leg areas, although the upper leg showed weaker protection. The autonomous emergency braking systems performed well, and the speed assist system met the necessary technical standards. Optional features include lane support systems and blind spot detection.